Good morning, students. Today we are solving the first question in exercise 1.2. Okay, the first question is a book exhibition was held for 4 days. Okay, a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first day, second day, third day, and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050, and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Okay, here the solution for this question. Okay, we are finding here total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So here number of tickets sold on first day is, that is first day is 1094, and number of tickets sold on second day is equal to 1812. Then number of tickets sold on third day is equal to 2050, and similarly the number of tickets sold on fourth day, that is final day, is equal to 2751. Then here total number of tickets, therefore total number of tickets sold on all 4 days, all days is equal to, here total means we are adding the all number of tickets. Okay, here we are adding, total means we are adding all the number of tickets. Here 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, that is 7. Then 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, carry 2. Then 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 0, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 2, it is 17, carry 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 7. Means here total number of tickets sold on all days 7,707 tickets. Next question, that is second question. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. Then he has so far scored 6,980 runs. Means he scored 6,980 runs in a test matches. Then he wishes to complete 10,000 runs. Then how many runs does he need? Means he already scored in test matches 6,980. Then he wishes to complete 10,000 runs. Means to complete 10,000 runs, they are asking how much runs are needed. Okay, he want to complete 10,000 runs, then he need how much runs to complete 10,000 runs. He already scored 6,980 runs. Okay, here solution for this question. Solution here, runs to complete or achieve, okay, you want to wishes how much runs? It is 10,000 runs. He want to complete 10,000 runs. He scored, his runs scored, okay, here he already scores 6,980 runs. Therefore, we want to need runs need Okay, here runs need how much here? You want to need, here you subtract. Okay, here 0 minus 0 it is 0, 0 minus 8 it is not possible, hence you take from here, then here is not is there, you take here, it is you take here 9. Okay, here what? Okay, here it is 10, then what due to this is 9 and it is 10. 10 minus 8 it is 2, then 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 6 it is 3. Means you want to need 3020 runs to complete the 10,000 runs. Okay, next question, that is third question. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Here in this question they have given here the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and your nearest rival means here another one party that secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate, means by how much difference that successful candidate win the election? Okay, won the election. Okay, here the solution for this question, solution here, number of votes registered by successful candidate here 5,77,500 votes. Then number of votes registered by nearest rival, number of votes registered by is nearest rival, that is 3,48,700 votes. Then on what margin the successful candidate win the election? Okay, here one, then margin between them, we are going to find margin between them, means difference between them. Okay, margin between them means difference between the two candidates. Okay, here difference, we are finding difference means we are subtracting the, okay, here second number, okay, just subtracting this number from this, then 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 7 it is not possible, hence you take one carry from other, it will become 15, and here 6. 15 minus 7 it is 8, then 6 minus 8 it is not possible, you take from here, that is it is 16, then 16 minus 8 it is 8, then 6 minus 4 it is 2, then 5 minus 3 it is 2, means the margin is 2,28,800. Therefore the margin between them is 2,28,800 votes. The successful candidates won by the margin 2,28,800 votes. Next fourth question. Kirti bookstore sold books worth 2,85,891 in the first week of the June and books were 4,768 in the second week of the month. Then how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? Then in which week was the sale greater and by how much? Okay, here they are given. Here the books sold in the first week of the June is 2,85,891, and similarly in the second week of the month is 4,768. Then they are asking here together books is how much. Then and also they are asking in which week of the sale is greater, in the first week or second week. Okay, then how much? Okay, here solution for this question. Solution. Here books sold in the first week in the first week, that is here 2,85,891. Similarly the books sold in the second week of the June month, that is 4,708. Then they are asking together books how much. Here books together. Okay, here together means we are adding the all books. Then that is equal to together means we are adding, difference means we are subtracting. Here together means we are adding these two numbers here, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 6, 15 carry 1, 8 plus 7, it is 15 plus 1, 16 carry 1, 5 plus 1, that is 6, then 8 plus 0, 8, then 2 plus 4, 6. Means here together books are 6,86,559 books. And they are also asking here in which week of the sale is greater. Okay, here in the first week 2,85,891, in the second week 4,768, means which is greater. Here number of books sold in the second one is greater. Here therefore here 4,768 is greater than the 2,85,891. Okay, therefore here what happens? Here in the second week the number of books therefore the number of books sold in the second week greater than first week. And also they are asking how much greater, how much more books. Therefore here books, okay, here books sold in the second week. Why we have taken second week means here second week the number of books sold in the second week is more. Therefore second week is 4,768. Then books sold in the first week, that is 2,85,891. Here how much more means we are subtracting, we are finding the difference, that much difference gives the more number of books sold in the second week. Okay, here how much more means we are subtracting. Okay, here to subtract 8 minus 1 7, then 6 minus 1 it is not possible, hence you take carry from here, it is 16. 16 minus 9 it is 7, then 6 minus 8 it is not possible, hence it is 16. You take from here it is 9, then here also 9, hence you take from here, then it is 16 minus 8 it is 8, then 9 minus 5 it is 4, then 9 minus 8 it is 1, then 3 minus 2 it is 1. Means here in the second week how much more? 1,14,877 books are more sold in the second week. Okay, here more number of books, more number of books, more number of books, more number of books sold. More number of books sold is 1,14,877. The next fifth question here, find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3 each only once. Okay, they are asking the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. Okay, here solution for this question. Here the greatest 5-digit number using 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Here greatest means you write bigger number first, then lesser numbers. Okay, here 7, then less than 7 is 6, then less than 6 is 4, then 3, then 2. Okay, here this is the greatest 5-digit number by using these digits. Next you find the here the smallest 5-digit number using the same digits. Here you just reverse these numbers. Here the smallest means it is increasing order, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. It is the 5-digit smallest or least number by using these digits. Then they are asking difference between them. Difference between them means here smallest and greatest number. Here difference means we are subtracting the second number from first number here, then you subtract here 2 minus 7 it is not possible, hence you take carry from here, it is 12 minus 7 it is 5, then you carry taken from here means it will be remaining 2, then 2 minus 6 it is not possible, hence you take carry from here, it will become 12 minus 6, then here you taken carry from here means it is remaining 3, then 3 minus 4 it is not possible, hence you take carry from here, it will become 13 minus 4 it is 9, here remaining after giving one carry means here 5 minus 3 it is 2, then 7 minus 2 it is 5, means 52,965. This is the difference between the smallest 5-digit number and greatest 5-digit number.